ground crew, all panels secured, clear for engine start.
Roger that. Commencing engine spool-up sequence.
Push to the high ground! Right flank! Set security!
All domains, execute MDO Plan Delta in Sector 4 immediately.
Confirmed. Weapons free.
The size of the United States naval fleet compared to the rest of the world highlight its unmatched global reach.
Land-based ICBMs, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, and strategic bombers form the nuclear triad.
Target spotted, 300 meters east. All units move up, suppressive fire on my command.
Land forces, push forward, secure the perimeter.
Air support, execute strafing run on the ridgeline.
Navy requesting status update on maritime targets.
Energy surge detected. Containment field holding at 98%.
Increase coolant flow. We are stabilizing the output now.
Move! Clear the ramp! Let's go! Steady, keep it coming slow. Watch your clearance on the right. Hold it right there. Break set. All right, team, visibility is dropping. We need to set up the perimeter now.
Copy that. Moving to secure the north side. We're heading that way. Stay alert. Watch the high ground. Roger. Clear right. Move, move, move. Get to the objective rally point. Vehicles, advance to the line of departure.
When comparing the raw military strength of the United States against its nearest global rivals, the numbers reveal a significant gap in key areas.
Initiate full system traverse and elevation test sequence now.
Roger that. Diagnostics are green. Beginning traverse left.
The threat level in the Atlantic is shifting. What is the status of the 6th Fleet?
They are engaging targets now, but the swarm density is unprecedented.
The simulation is escalating. We have multiple red alerts across the grid.
Deploying rapid response teams to the yellow zones.
We need confirmation on those targets now.
Global military mobility unmatched by any nation.
Upgrades complete on Alpha Squadron.
Weapon systems showing green.
Launch authorized.
Hard right rudder. Deploying countermeasures now.
Affirmative. Systems checking green. Brake right.
Monitor their energy state closely.
Anchored by robust defense alliances, America's global influence is strengthening, creating a more secure and interconnected world.
Military readiness at all times.
From the negotiating table to the battlefield, global security is maintained by a complex web of military presence and diplomatic resolve. This integration defines the battle space. Launch the swarm, execute precision protocols.
Confirmed. Targets locked.